Now gurus and new she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new.
If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. When it's a unit that I'll cop my own coins, I also like to give myself a shout out, okay? So go Christy, go Christy, go Christy, go Christy. So shout out to me for copping this unit with my own coins. Okay, so the unit that I bought is by Sensational, and you guys should know at this point how I feel about Sensational, honey, okay?
Sensational.
So the unit that I got is from the Texturized series. It is in the style Brynn in the color 1B. It says pre-plug baby hair, natural density, HD lace, keep them guessing. Yeah, that's pretty much it on the stock card. I don't see, oh, here he is. We got over here like a color palette, just kind of letting you guys know the different colors you can get this particular unit in. As I stated, I did decide to get it in a 1B. Now, with this wig, it says salon inspired cut and color, ear to ear lace, includes baby hair, lightweight unit. Now, I do want to go ahead and say it's not a frontal. I mean, it is ear to ear lace, but that part, this little bit that you see right here, this is as much a parting space that you get with this particular wig. And I wanted to go ahead and throw that out there because I personally thought it would be a little more. And I probably should have watched a video on the unit, but for a lot of units, I don't like to watch the videos prior to doing my review because I do feel like it can kind of change my opinion. You can watch somebody that styles a wig so good that you're like, yes, that wig is everything. I don't care what it looks like when I put it on. I'm the problem, not the wig. So I really just didn't want, I don't like for my opinion to be changed. I like to first do the video, then watch someone else's opinion on a unit. That's just kind of how I do things. I know that's crazy, but that's how I do things. As far as shedding and tangling, honey, the hair is this long, girl. Okay, if she was shedding and tangling, I was gonna have to get a refund. Okay, but she is not doing any other things. As far as it being big head friendly, I did have to adjust the straps. I would say still that this unit is definitely geared more towards average head friendly and possibly small head friendly. I did adjust the straps, but not like crisscross applesauce. I just adjusted them a little bit, but I am an average cap size. So So kind of do with that what you want to do with that. I don't want to tell you something is not completely not big head friendly and then it really is, and vice versa. I would just kind of recommend, you know, watching different people, and you know, we all got different heads, honey. Okay, so I'll say a unit is this, but I can really only speak for an average size head because I only got the head that's on my shoulders, honey. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, so if you watched the beginning part of this video, I am pretty sure you already know what my con is with this wig, and it is just this right here. I expected more parting space, and she did not get that. Now granted, it's like that all the way around, so if you want to do a middle part or right side part, you can. It's just not going to be a whole lot. I have seen videos where people know how to like kind of fake parting space and all that, like make it seem more long. I know Gladys from Is That Your Hair did a video like that, and I would recommend you guys checking that out if that is an issue for you. But yeah, I do want to throw it out there to let it be known, and that is my con with this wig. Now my pros with this wig is that, first of all, I do feel like it's very beginner friendly. I love the cut of it. I know this like style may not be for everyone, but for me, I love a good little curly pixie. If you watch me, then you already know I love a curly pixie. I also love the curls. I love how the curls look, and I love how easy it was to style this wig. So those are my pros with it. Alright, so let me see how much old girl costs, and I can tell you if I recommend it. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so this wig is $35, honey. I would recommend it personally. I would rebuy this unit because I'm actually thinking about getting it in another color. I'm kind of feeling that little 350 girl, but it just depends on you, okay? It depends on you and it depends on your budget. I personally would recommend it, but and only because nowadays these wigs are just more and more expensive. I think it's worth it. I think it is a complete vibe. I do think you could find probably a human hair wig for only $20 more in this same length. So do with that what you want to do with that. But I personally would recommend it just because I like the unit. Alright, honey, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Child, it's just sticking out back there, ain't it? Don't judge me. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it as much as I am. I do like the wig. I think it is a look. I think it is a vibe. Let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you would rock it. Let me know what color you would rock this unit in. Let me know down below in the comments. And if you are interested, once again, I will have it listed down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love us next time. Bye.